Hey, welcome to the VidChapter platform. In this video, I'm going to work you through on how to use VidChapter for your YouTube, Vimeo, and VidTags videos. With VidChapter, you'll be able to generate timestamped chapters, descriptions, tags, and catchy video titles. To get started, I have uploaded a YouTube video. The next step is to copy the video URL to the VidChapter platform. VidChapter will work with any YouTube video that has already generated captions. Let me quickly complete the process before pasting the URL on the VidChapter platform. Next, I would head to the VidChapter app and I'll click on Add Video under the All tab. This is where you'll be able to import subtitle files. The supported file formats are SRT, VTT, SBV, or STL files. So all you need to do is to give it a title, upload the file, and you'll be able to select the file language from here. We support multiple languages, and you can import the subtitles to VidChapter thereafter. Okay, back to our demonstration. Click on Add Video and select your video source from the drop-down. VidChapter supports videos from YouTube, Vimeo, VidTags, and VidPower. These videos have to be public or unlisted videos and must have generated captions for the video to work with the VidChapter app. Paste the video URL here and give it a title. Now, the next step is to select the video language from the drop-down here and click on Save. Since our video caption has been linked correctly, what we need to do next is to use the below tabs to generate our video titles, our descriptions, our tags, and our timestamped video chapters. The Summary tab is where we can mass copy our nested content. Click here to generate your video titles. I'm just going to allow it to execute. Once it's completed, the next step is to refresh your browser to see the newly generated titles. Here are our generated titles. You can see YouTube create the edit videos. I like the title YouTube creates the perfect tool for editing videos. Click the check mark to add it to our summary. Next, click on Generate our video descriptions. It's generating in the background, so once it's done, click on Refresh to see our video descriptions. I like this description. The YouTube Create app is going to bring your ideas to life with this free editing tool. So this description fits our video use case. Like before, click on Generate Tags. Following the same steps, refresh to see our generated tags. Onto timestamped chapters. Select the number of chapters you need from the drop-down. Since this is a 5-minute video, we can select to generate 5 chapters. Let me add that each of these features, titles, descriptions, tags, and timestamp chapters, each prompt consumes 1 credit. These are our generated timestamped chapters. like how to create an account on. Our generated chapters cover all key moments of the 5 minutes video. The final tab is our summary. The summary allows us to add our video titles, descriptions, tags, and chapters in one hub, so as to be able to copy them all at once. Click here to copy. Now on our summary list, we have our video title, our description, and also our well-optimized time-stamped chapters. Click here to copy. Now back to our YouTube studio. Paste them in our description area. Cut our title and replace it with the temporal title. We can edit and add any additional content here. Next, apply to save our changes. Now let's see the wonders we've added to the YouTube video. Here automatically, you can see that our timestamp has been added to our video. You can also see that here. When you scroll down, you'll see our chapters. And here are the key moments also added for you. VidChapter also supports other languages. Just like this Portuguese video, we can copy the video URL to the VidChapter dashboard and apply the same method. Click on Add Video. Select YouTube as your video source. Paste the video URL and add the video. Automatically, VidChapter is going to identify the video language. Following the same steps, we can easily generate our titles. I'll quickly add our descriptions. And then our chapters. Let me generate 10 timestamp chapters for this video. These are our generated titles. And our descriptions. And our timestamp chapters. We can easily copy our chapters here and add them to our video descriptions on YouTube. For Vimeo videos, copy the video URL. However, the Vimeo video should have generated captions for it to work with VidChapter. back to VidChapter and select Vimeo from the video source. Now we can generate our video titles, descriptions, tags, and timestamp chapters for our Vimeo videos. VidChapter also supports videos from VidTags and VidPower. Click here to add and invite team members for collaborations. See your settings here. If you've got questions, please reach out. And you can email us here. Thank you!